Alright, we're going to talk about this DOC right here. So right now we're looking at how deep it goes and to see whether or not it's face plugged. See that? Nice and easy. And that one goes down about that far. Let's try over here. That one is very hard to poke through. There, this is the actual length it's supposed to go. It's about 8 inches. That one's good. That one's good. This particular DOC has DOC face plugging codes. And now we're going to walk over and see what the other culprit is. If you notice, first of all, it's a Cummins ISX. Remove the doser block or the dosing unit for the after treatment system for that sprays the diesel inside of the engine. We're going to walk over here. As you can tell, you have to drain the coolant to do that on this particular model. Really, most of them. And now we're going to look at the actual dosing nozzle, and you're going to see that it is completely plugged up. See that? You're supposed to be able to see something inside of there and you can't. So that will throw a low DOC temperature code because it's not spraying properly. There's your thermostat. I'm gonna let it sit overnight because I just put a thermostat on. I want to make sure there's no leaks. Yeah, there's your new doser nozzle. EGR cooler looks semi-new. At least it's been changed. And that's it. Okay. We're gonna go to fault codes here. You're gonna look and see that this 4214 is active. That is saying that the DOC could possibly be bad. It's slow to get up to temperature, and as you can see, it has a bunch of other codes in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and then we're going to go to after treatment maintenance. Okay, we're going to reset the DOC because we just cleaned it, and it's going to tell you to turn the key off after you hit yes. We turn the key off, go ahead and hit OK. Takes 30 seconds, and that code 4214 is going to go inactive. After we're done with this test here, reset feature, after we're done with the reset feature, okay, I'm going to turn the key back on, hit OK. It should say successful, and it was. So now we can look at the fault codes and see that it's all inactive. That 4214 is now inactive. See it down there? So now we're going to reset all the codes. Yes. Turn the key switch back off. We'll hit OK. All the code should go away. Turn the key back on. Hit OK. And all these codes should disappear. Just to double check. Get out. We'll go back in. And no faults detected in the ECM. So we're good there. Now we're going to start it up. We're going to run a regen. We're going to watch it. Watch it climb. Alright, now the after treatment number 7 injector is now open. As you can see, 280 psi, which is kind of high. You're going to see this number right here skyrocket up. Should go up to about 1100 degrees. We're just going to monitor this throughout the regen. Because once it hits 1000, that's when it starts burning the soot off. But 1100 is the optimal temperature to get it up to burn the soot out and turn it into dust and clean air. Alright, this truck had a problem with the diesel particulate filter intake temperature. It was dropping too fast. So we had to change the DOC, and I told them to change the DPF as well. The original code was 4214, low efficiency on the DOC, which every time it would go up, the temperature would fall almost 400 degrees. So every time you heard the fan run, it would drop down to 8, even 600 degrees, which it's not doing nothing then. It's not even running a regen. But right now it's regenning. It's over 1000 degrees. Outlet temperature will get over 1000 degrees as well. This is what was wrong with this truck.